Come along as I scout locations and then visit Norfolk Southern's Pitcairn, Pennsylvania Intermodal Yard. Bob Johnson with PK&W Railroad coming at you with another video. This time I'm going to show you how I scout in advance photo locations, and then we'll go on a quick rail fanning trip of Norfolk Southern's Intermodal Yard in Pitcairn, Pennsylvania. This first photo shows an aerial view of the yard and the areas that I thought originally I would look at. The red circles for rail fanning and photography. The red circles are two bridges, and the white circle looked like it might be an entrance point into the yard. That turned out to be secured. The yellow circle I thought would be an ideal location to look across the yard and potentially get some photographs. This next photo shows the bridge to the left, and the first photo is a secured location. There really was nowhere to get onto that bridge. This is the other side of that bridge. It too appeared to be secured from these Google photos. Now, I used an app on my phone called PhotoPills to figure out where the sun is going to be located in connection with my trip. So this is a screenshot from PhotoPills, and this pin has been dropped where the yellow circle was on the initial photo, and you can see that the heavy yellow line represents sunrise, the orange line represents sunset, the thin yellow line, it represents the sun at 10:20 a.m., which I thought would be probably roughly when I would be there. Well, the sun would be directly in my face if I was standing in that spot. So that turned out that it was not going to be a good location. So I really needed to look on the other side of the yard for a location. And so I found this spot here on Pennsylvania Avenue, which is actually in the town of Wall. Pitcairn's on the other side of the yard. And here you could see that the sun was going to be essentially directly behind me at 10:46 a.m., and so it should be falling on the equipment in the yard and make for a better photograph. So now come along as we go for a quick rail fanning trip on what was a very cold morning. This turned out to not be a great yard for rail fanning. You can't really get very close. There was a little action going on a Sunday morning, which was kind of nice, but you couldn't get very close to the tracks. And the foliage in the spring and summer would be absolutely view blocking. So it was good I was there in the winter. I could at least see something, but it was still not an ideal location. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this content. Here are a few of the photos that I took during this trip. If you like this video, you may also like my video about applying the golden ratio to your railroad photographies, and I'll provide a link to that. Take care and keep on modeling.